Introducing ETS-RT 14, a compact and durable RFID tag, purpose-built for efficient waste management and bin collection. Designed for household waste collection, it ensures accurate tracking, reduces disposal costs, and improves operational efficiency. The tag can be read automatically by fixed readers on waste collection vehicles or handheld devices used by collectors, with data sent instantly to municipal servers. Built from high-quality engineering plastic, ETS-RT 14 is IP67 rated, waterproof, chemical-resistant, and withstands extreme outdoor conditions. Available in NFC and UHF variants with up to 9 meters read range for UHF and 5 centimeters for NFC-enabled smartphones. Customizable with logo, barcode, or tag ID, it's trusted in over 2.75 lakh households across India for smart city waste management projects, ideal for municipal corporations, government projects, smart city initiatives, and waste collection agencies. ETS-RT 14, a proven, tested solution for reliable waste collection tracking.